Hey, how's everyone doing? I'm back with another video. This is Devlog number 3. So today I made a 2D game following learn.unity.com tutorials, and yeah, I just wanted to show you what I made. So if I hit play here, you'll see the ball that bounces off of the earth rock materials. If it will load, it's taking forever. Okay, here we go. So it bounces off the rocks and then it goes behind the coin and the dirt mound at the bottom. So basically what I did is on the spear, I added a rigid body to it to give it mass, and I give it a mass of 10. And then I added a collider to it to give it the ability to collide with other objects or 2D objects. The rocks themselves, I also gave them a rigid body, and I gave them a collider as well. For the coins, I did not give a collider, but what I did to get that effect where the ball went behind the coin and the dirt mound at the bottom, I believe I went to oh, here it is. So in sprite renderer component, I went down to additional settings. And I set order and layer 1 for the coin and for the dirt mound. As you can see, the rocks, they have an order and layer as 0, so they just bounce off each other. You know, the ball bounces off the rocks. However, with the order and layer 1 for the coin and the dirt mound, I believe that what that does is brings the coin and the dirt mound up more, and so the ball, instead of colliding with them, it goes behind them. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. I added prefab, so you know a coin has its own prefab. Earth, meaning earth rock, has its own prefab, so I just added them from here so they can maintain their same properties and attributes. But besides that, I mean that's pretty much it. Nothing too fancy. Again, it's just a ball rolling down off these rocks, then going behind the coin in the dirt mound. Yeah, so tomorrow's video I'm going to actually start touching up on 3D more and actually be more interactive with scripting and 3D objects. So yeah, that'll be tomorrow's video. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.